Hello, beautiful. So, I went to Bluewater and I got some stuff and I'm really excited and I want to film it. Not that it needs a disclaimer, but I had my laser done today, which is why I went to Bluewater, which is also why I look like this. But that's the beauty of this channel, is that like it's candid, you know, it's fine. Boringly wise, I got some new Laser Aid gel, which you have to put that on every day, so I needed some more of that, so that was great. And I had like £9 store credit, so I only got that for £3, so I'm super happy about that. That didn't break the bank, that was great. Every 6 weeks I get my laser done, right, and then it's right near the big Primark, so I go do a Primark haul every 6 weeks. And you'd think, actually no, I was going to say you'd think that I like wouldn't be interested in buying anymore, but every 6 weeks is like pretty much a new season. Now I went in there and it's like shirts, jumpers, trousers, like knits. There's something else as well. Like it was like autumn threw up in like the best way possible. So super happy and excited. Although I made a sacrifice. I'm meant to be saving money. So I didn't get my normal coffee that I normally get when I go get my laser. But I think like £70 in Primark versus like a £4 coffee, that probably would have been the lesser of the two evils. But anywho, let me just crack on with what I got in Primark. So first thing I picked up was this, and I saw this colour. Hey baby, gorgeous girl. I literally saw this colour and was like, I need this for Halloween. It's not a colour that suits me. And also satin shirts, I'm pretty much over. I don't really like them, but this is Halloween. This is just Halloween in my head, and I can wear this to work like every single day in Halloween, and I love it. I can sleep in this. Like literally this can do so much. This can do so much. And it's like oversized, so I got a size 6 and it's still like quite long on me, and it was £13. But although it doesn't suit me and it's not really my colour, but it's just Halloween. And they had these in like every single colour, like cotton, silk, like whatever. So that got me going with the Halloween bits. And then I picked up these, which I actually found from watching Jordan Lipscombe's Primark haul. And she had this like dark zebra set on. Now I grew up in like a chavvy area, and my dream when I was a preteen was to be a chav. But I was pale, so I was like, I can't pull off leopard print. I am pale. I can't pull off leopard print, but I could pull off zebra print. So zebra print was like my thing when I was younger, and now it's like darker, so it's like a little bit more classy, but it's like a workout outfit. But I think it's cute to chill in as well. So I got the top in a small, and this doesn't have a price on it. Great. But the bottoms were a £5. I also got these in the same size actually. I don't know why I thought I got separate sizes, but I really like that, and I think that's just really cool. Like you can wear them like mix match, wear it together. I don't know. I think it's cool. This, very happy about this. So I have the pink one of this, which is like the same colour as my skin, and I always wear it this way around, and then wear it like a top. But obviously pink is like pretty much the same colour as my skin, like especially if you're not looking at me or focused, like I look like I'm naked, so I can't really wear that out. The black version of this, I don't know why, it doesn't V, it like scoops, so I don't want that. Oh, like I wanted the black V, but they didn't do that. I don't know why black is different. But anyhow, they nailed it in grey, so I have a grey top, and then the underwear is just like the full. Great. The underwear is like the full underwear. So there's that, and then if you know me at all or my style, you're going to be like, why have you got that? Why have you got that? But I don't know why I tried them on. I think it's because it's brown, and brown is like my colour to wear. They're like cargo pants. What makes it even worse is that they're cargo pants, but they fit like the baggy suits. So it's literally just things which like the most trendiest things right now, which I really don't like, and are also going out of style. And I bought it. Don't know why. But I put these on and I was like, because sometimes I pretty much only have jeans or like workout leggings as like full length things for my legs. And these just talk to me differently, because I can't end up wearing these to work because they've got the pockets and the cargo-ness. So they will have to stay as casual things in my wardrobe. Because sometimes I wear like trousers and then they end up as work trousers, and then in my head I'm like, oh, I'll wear them casually too, but I just can't because it just reminds me of work if I'm at home and then want to put the trousers on work. And they fit nice around the butt, and they're like kind of baggy in a nice way, and that kind of, I don't know. But I got size 4 in them and they were £16. And normally I'm not a size 4, like waist-wise and stuff, but I thought I'd try that. I'm so excited about these! Oh. Sock slippers for £2.50. And they also did them in beige. And they have like the actual, like, they just fucking love them. And I was obsessed with huskies when I was younger, so I'm always drawn to this sort of like grey white kind of thing, so I love that. I want to save some of that to the end. I think we are at the end though. At the cashier I picked up some gum. I know the Primark gum's like rubbish, but sometimes when if I'm at work and then like I eat like something eggy or garlicky and then someone comes and sits next to me and talks to me, I'm like, I need something to sort this out. So that's for that. Oh, also, okay, I guess we'll do this one. Where's the other one? Oh my gosh, where's the other one? Are you joking? I'm meeting an old friend tomorrow to meet her baby, so I'm really excited, but I can't shop like empty-handed, so I got her some face masks, and Primark face masks are like decent, so I got one for dull and tired skin, and then a firming one, so you know, whatever she's fancying, she can have some of them. So they were 150, oh, 80p and 150. So I think that's quite nice. And I also got her, actually no, I'll save that to the end, sorry. Picked up some more of these because they just go missing and they're the best things to braid my hair with at night. Also broke my clips. Okay, this claw clip trend, love it, it's great, you all look amazing. But I also need the standard clips that Primark used to always do that I've done forever, because I use them to like put my hair back, like in the bath and the shower, like when I'm doing my makeup and stuff, and I break them all the time because they're from Primark and they're just plastic. And I couldn't find any because they're all fancy claw clips, so this was like the least fancy one I could find, and I just made do with that. £2, but it's pretty cute, classic, it will do the job. Needed some more exfoliating gloves, so I actually got 2 for £1, which is really, really inexpensive, but you know, they don't feel the best, but hey ho, we don't go to Primark for the best. I'm going to save that main thing until the end. Move into the other bag. Okay, so I have candle holders in my room, and I do a lot of I use candles a lot in my spiritual practices. There we go, that's a nice way of saying it. And white and black is the main ones. And I always can never find black candles, which is basically what I use for protection. And I found some. And then I got some white ones, which is pretty much kind of like you can use it for anything. So got something, and I love, like, I feel like a bloody adult, not gonna lie. I've never had candles that, like, you know, with this bit, and it makes me feel like an adult. So I love that. And also my candle holders are from Primark, so they should fit in there, right? They should, they will. Primark's not my favourite place to go to for candles. Why is that like on its own? Oh, this smells incredible. It literally smells like autumn. Frosted eucalyptus. Oh my gosh, it's gonna make me cry. It's so annoying I've got like a summer holiday before, because normally I'll like decorate for Halloween end of August, so like now. But I've got a holiday in September. So it's making me like, I feel like I can't fully get into the Halloween mode yet. Oh, this, how much was this? £2. Oh, I didn't really do prices. Okay, the claw clip was £2. The candles were £1.50 each. So like, yeah. This was £1.50 for 2 of them, yeah. And then, yeah, this was £2. Oh, it's a bloody lovely. And the, like the green tin, like, love it. I just love it. And it's like cool, like textured. And then I think we now move on to the grand finale of things. So me and the friend I'm seeing tomorrow love Halloween. And Primark have pulled through. Oh. So I don't really know what, they also do gold, but the gold was kind of coming off and I was like, nah. So I don't know, kind of like, I'm going to keep one big one and one small one. I'm going to give her one big one and one small one, but like alternate it. So, pumpkin candles. They're unscented. Which is fine because like I'm not gonna, actually no, it'd be nice if they were scented because I'm not gonna light them, but it could have still smelled nice. They got like pumpkin labels. So the big one was £3, small one was £1.50. Adorable. And then big orange one. I thought they were both big then. Like, beautiful. They also did like white ceramic pumpkins. But then they also did this. And for £6, like if Next sold this, it would be like at least 30. And Next actually have their Halloween stuff in right now, and trust me, like my family spent like £70 on like tiny little things there, so. Hello, baby. Are you wondering who I'm talking to? You're like, what's going on? I love you. Baby. Mommy's just working. I love you. Gorgeous girl. Oh yeah, so yeah, if Next sold this, it would be a lot more expensive. £6 for this? To be fair, I barely even looked at it. I was just like, that's coming home. This is huge! It's bigger than my head, yo! But it's just beautiful, isn't it? It's beautiful. £6? I mean, I have no idea what's inside of it. It's like squishy. But it's... Oh, yo, this is a bloody steal. It's got like a maple in these little... Oh, they did so much with this. I love it. I love it. Love it. Maybe I'm going to have to go for like a... Because normally when I do Halloween decorations, it's like purple, green, like super like kiddie Halloween. But maybe I'm going to have to go a bit more like classy autumnal colours this Halloween. And then put up my like witches and stuff like near the end. I'm going to put it all out. I'm going to put it all out. I'm going to make it work. So that was it, ladies and gents, my Primark haul. I've got one more shop to show you. But the Primark in total was £72.70. But we're not going to talk about it. Why not? The last thing that I needed to actually get in Bluewater was that I finished my journal a couple of weeks ago. So I had to get another journal, and I wanted to get, you know, Paper Chase do those like leathery ones. I wanted to get one of them, but I went in, they were like really flimsy and stuff. So I went to Waterstones and saw they had like all these colourful ones and stuff. And I was like, I don't want that. I don't like the paper covers. And in hindsight, I probably shouldn't have got one with a paper cover because it will get completely ruined. But it's got gold edging. I don't actually know what this has in it. I was like paying for it and I was like, I really hope this has lined pages. I think it did. Yeah, lined pages, and then it's a V&A one, if anyone really cares about that, but... This is my new journal. It's a new me. But that was absolutely everything I got, and I was just really excited about it, and like got in my Halloween vibes, and you know, my favourite YouTuber Gabby DiMartino started Gabaween, and I was like, I'm gonna start Halloween too. I do still have all my New York stuff to come out, and the rest of my summer trips. I'm sorry if anyone has been waiting on it. You're probably not. Probably it's just me that's waiting on it. But yeah, I wanted to kind of get all that out by the end of summer or the end of August, and it just hasn't happened. And that's okay. That's totally fine. But we love a little midweek upload. So that's what I got, and Halloween has started, my loves. But yeah, if no one's told you lately, I'm super duper proud of you. I love you so much, and I'll see you when I next see you, my darling. Bye. Oh, that was like the perfect time because my tea's like at the perfect temperature now. Lovely.